What's the significance behind the extra A and H in my name? Hi, I'm Tamanna Bhatia and I'm going to be playing Shuffle with the Nod. I was very young when I got my name numerologically corrected, and I was told that if I add an A and an H, things would work out. Say Gafoor, supportive, disappointed, sarcastic, and flirty. Okay, so supportive, Gafoor, disappointed, Gafoor, sarcastic, Gafoor, flirty, Gafoor. It kind of sounded like the same thing. One thing I am irrationally afraid of: lifts. I've nowadays started like just skipping the lift. I'm like, मैं चल के जाऊंगी. I'm walking steps up and down. I think I don't like that whole claustrophobic feeling, so I'm completely irrationally scared of lifts. What's my lucky number? 3. I think 3 happen. 3 multiples of 3 and 3. The one restaurant I recommend to everyone. I really like Bombay Canteen in Mumbai. So they normally have all kinds of Indian fusion. I really like, there's a chaatish kind of dish which is really, really nice. And I think I'm someone who keeps trying to search for street food. So there are some really cool versions of chaat. So that's what I end up opting for. A TV show I binge watched. बहुत टाइम हो गया है, कोविड के टाइम पे binge watch किया था. I've not been watching long format a lot, but the movie Obsession was amazing. My death row meal is a samosa. It's like a full, this is a fully astro. I feel like I'm on astro talk right now because my star sign's biggest red flag. Like they start one thing but they never finish it. Like Sagittarians are supposed to be like jumping from one thing to another, so yeah. Superstitions I totally believe in. If someone on a set says this will happen in one take, it never happens in one take. So I get really like weirded if someone says abhi ek take mein ho jayega. Never happens in one take. My earliest memory of school, me going to complain to my headmistress about something. So like I think there was one of these teachers who was like probably like knocking kids' knuckles when they didn't do their homework or something. So I went to complain about that. That's the earliest memory I have from childhood. So I went and complained. I said, ma'am, they're hitting everybody on their knuckles. Would I date someone my friends hate? Yeah, I think I should like the person. That's really important. But if my friends hate that person, that says there's something going on that I can't see, so I would definitely find out what is it that thing that they don't like. So I would definitely investigate. The one thought I had the last time, turbulence hit on a flight. Scary thoughts, very scary thoughts. But you're like, ooh, I can die. When I was growing up, I used to be a really nervous flyer. I mean, I was doing it so much that it was like, there's not much I can do. I boarded this plane. Doesn't matter. Abhi kuch nahi kar sakte. So I just let it go now. My favorite and least favorite thing about working with my dad. Such a good question. My favorite thing is I always get my way. And my least favorite thing is there are some things when I have to convince him, I have to really find that perfect moment where he's like in that mood to be convinced. Yeah, but he always listens. So if I could replace a finger with a tool, it would be scissor. That would be sharp, but a scissor. Yeah. If I were a shape, I'd be an oval. Yeah, I'd be an oval. It is like rounded, but in like the right places. I'm also like making jewelry right now, so like I've been seeing ovals a lot and I think I like that shape. So I'm like, why not? I should be an oval. If my phone could have only 3 apps, which ones would stay? WhatsApp, Instagram, and I have my Sadhguruji's app, yeah, because I have all my chants on it. Love hearing that. One voice I only use when I talk to my pet. It's oh you babu. Yeah, that's me talking to any like animal actually. I was like pocho pocho pocho. That's how I end up going. Okay, just played shuffle with the knot. So I hope you guys like it and thank you for watching.